side. No, I don't want you crying over me or anything I do, 'cause I just feel like dying if I should ever make you time